Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll see how to unpack a list in a column. So we'll take one simple use case and we'll try to understand, right? So this is a simple dictionary, a list of dictionaries. If you see, right, it's a tuple, and inside that I have two dictionaries. And if you see in each dictionary, I have a name, a student name maybe, and the associate marks maybe in 3 subjects, right? So now we know how to convert the dictionary or list into a data frame, right? We already seen it. Now so maybe we'll say marks equal to pd dot data frame, which we already know, marks, right? When you see mark, sorry, it is mark, right? So now what I said, a list in a column, right? So marks is a column, so my data type is technically it is list, right? Did you see this? 10, 9, 2, and another one is like 101, 91, 2 to 21. Now what I need to do is I need to unpack this list. In simple, I need to create 3 more columns. Maybe let's say it belongs to some language, right? Like maybe English, Telugu and Hindi, right? So we have 3 different languages. So I need to create 3 different columns, associate columns, right? And see, in our initial video we have seen how to create a data frames, right? So one from a dictionary, the another from how to create a data frame from a list. This is a list, right? So now mark dot marks. So in my mark data frame I'm selecting marks, right? So actually what is this? This is one list and this is one more list. So in data frame we have an option called to list dot to list. Now we'll see how the result looks like. Did you see? Now it become a list of list, right? So we already seen how to deal with the list of lists using pandas data frame, right? So now let me create a new columns, right? One is maybe English, Telugu and Hindi, right? Now I have 3 columns. So I'm just creating 3 columns in my data frame mark, right? In this data frame I'm creating 3 columns from this list, from this list of list, right? So data frame of this. Let's see how it looks like now. Now let me run mark. Did you see this? Now this list, which has 3 values, which is marks related to 3 different subjects like English, Telugu, Hindi. Now I unpacked it. So which means from one single list I created 3 different columns, because obviously we have three values in this list, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.